But there was a big pay dispute between you and another
cast member. Yeah, I was doing. It's a sketch we did on the field. So John Creedon was on, who was phenomenal as the bull. Myself, John Creedon and Kevin McGahern sitting on the back of a horse and cart. And we're there ready to film a bit, and the director's fussing a little bit, and the producer comes, can you hurry up? We only have the horse for an hour. And I'm like, going, the horse for an hour? And he goes, and the horse costs 500 quid an hour. And I'm going, 500? Like, I'm showing this on my face, but probably a little bit too much. 500 quid for an hour? And I'm working out for 4 days. I'm barely making that, right? And it must have shown on my face, because I looked at the producer going, hold on a minute, I'm doing 4 days. And she looked at me, he's been in Vikings and Game of Thrones.
So that's why the horse was being paid more, because of its experience?
Well, he's been typecast as a horse.
And you should have seen his trailer.
He can't get a gig as a sheep.
Don't be doing the gags, man.